Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Ferris ISX800 zero-turn mower. This mower has a 52-inch fabricated cutting deck with the ICD cutting system. There are greaseable aluminum spindles. This mower has the forefront suspension system, as well as a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck and spindles. This mower has a standard suspension seat with armrest. There are robust rear tires, as well as a rollover protection system. We have our fuel tank. This mower does come with a 27 horsepower Briggs and Stratton CXi engine. There are Hydro Gear ZT3400 transaxles with 7-inch cooling fans. This mower has a USB port, as well as your controls with your throttle, hour meter, and ignition. There is a rubber chute. This mower has a magnetic tapered pen cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 5 inches. There is a pedal for the foot operated deck lift. Once again, this is a Ferris ISX800 zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.